Hello kids, in this video we'll learn about wild animals, field animals and farm animals. The first one is peacock. Peacock. This is a peacock. Peacock. This is a rooster. 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 This is a duck. Duck. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. This is a dog. Dog. This is a elephant. Elephant. Zebra. This is a zebra. This is a hen. Hen. Cow. This is a cow. This is a duck. This is a goat. Panda. This is a panda. This is a camel. Camel. Lion. This is a lion. This is a horse. Horse. Tiger. This is a tiger.